We are going to review top 5 best dining room benches. Let's get started. List number 1. Signature design by Ashley Hannigan Dining Room Bench. Upholstered dining room bench. This bench is classically designed with fresh touches, dressed in luxurious finishes and feel-good materials. It's soon to be everyone's favorite seat at the table. Wooden bench, made with wood in a dark brown finish. Cushion seat is wrapped in vinyl faux leather upholstery. Tufted details. The little details go a long way. This bench is simply refined with classic button tufting. Long bench. Benches are a great causal seating option for an entryway, eat-in kitchen or dining room. Measures 49.5 W x 15.75 D x 19.25 H. Assembly required, easy to follow instructions, hardware and tools included. List number 2. Signature design by Ashley Summerford Dining Room Bench. Brown color. Casual modern and rustic design. Bench 64.75 inch length. Constructed with reclaimed pine. Butcher block planking. Manufacturer, Ashley Furniture. ASIN, B08 VHV9ZZ6. List number 3. Industrial metal rustic farmhouse dining bench for patio. Products mean a little more at BCP. We work hard to build innovative, popular, and timeless items that will thrive in your home. Behind your favorite best choice product is a team developing the next best thing. When building our products, BCP does the heavy lifting for you. Before an item makes it to your home, it must first pass quality tests and our final stamp of approval. Every step of a product counts, and we never compromise high quality. Whether it's just you or a full house, BCP creates items that will fit every family. Convertible sofa beds, long-lasting dining sets, and comfortable recliners are just some of what you can find to make your house feel like home. List number 4. Tyler Creek Upholstered Dining Room Bench. Unique two-tone finish with a combination of oak and acacia substrates combining a trendy textured antique black color finished in a textural weathered oak finish. Unique two-tone finish with a combination of oak and acacia substrates combining a trendy textured antique black color finished in a textural weathered oak finish. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries. The trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories and mattresses. For every taste and budget. Hardware included. List number 5. Signature design by Ashley Whitesburg Dining Room Bench. Straight out of a country cottage. Whitesburg's unique two-tone finish brings a relaxed and timeless look to the table. It also works as a welcome addition to a mudroom or casual living area. Assembly required. Made of veneers, wood and engineered wood. Two-tone finish. Crafted from select veneers and hardwood solids. Seat finished in a rich burnished brown.